Hey, everyone, today we are going to show you how you can remove background from any photo using Canva. Whether you're a Canva whiz or just starting out, this tutorial will show you how to remove backgrounds in just a few taps. So grab your phone, open the Canva app, and let's get creative. First up, you'll need the photo you want to edit. Open the Canva app and create a new design. Let's upload our photo. At the bottom, choose the Upload tool and tap here. You can then choose your photo from your phone's gallery. Once your photo is uploaded, place it on your design canvas. Next, tap on it to select it. This will reveal a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Effects tool and click on it. Here you can see the BG Remover tool. Tap on it. Canva will now analyze your photo and attempt to remove the background automatically. For simpler backgrounds, it might do a fantastic job in a blink. But for more complex photos with details like hair or fur, you might need to do some adjustments. Once you're happy with your background-free photo, it's time to save it. Tap the down arrow icon in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and tap as Save. And that's it. Removing backgrounds in Canva on your phone is a quick and easy process. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome Canva tips and tricks for mobile users. Thanks for watching.